Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hell is Us gamepad or controller not working issue. So if you are also coming through this problem, go through this video guide. So let's jump into it. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. So after restarting, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, move to the next solution. The next solution is to update controller driver. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager, then go below and expand human interface devices. After that, select it and right click on it and click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for driver. So after updating it, now now see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next is to enable disable Steam input. So for that, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, select disable Steam input and after that try to launch the game and see if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working, because developers often releases updates on the game and you should download and install it. So go to Steam and here you can see if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply click on update, and after updating the game, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, click on here, you can see enter big picture mode, simply click on it. After this, search for your game and then try to play it. If it's playing, then, or if it's launching, then it's well and good. Simply you need to click on Steam and then click on power, and after that click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates, and here you should check if there is any update available on your Windows. Simply click on check for updates option, and after updating your Windows, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So I have provided the link in the description. Just open this link on your browser, and after that download and install DS4 Windows tool on your PC. After installing it, connect your controller and update it, and once done, launch the game once again and check if the problem is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix gamepad or controller not working in Hell is Us game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.